Hi, everybody. This is Mrs. Santello, the librarian from the Butler Area Senior High School. I wanted to create a tutorial video to show you how to turn in several different types of assignments that you may see in your Google Classrooms. So let's get started. First of all, when you open up google.com, the first thing you need to do is make sure that you are signed into a Google browser under your school email address. And the one way to verify that is up here in the right-hand corner, you'll see a circle. If I hover my mouse over that circle, you can see that my email address is displayed. If that was not my school email account, if it was a personal Gmail account or someone else's personal Google account, I need to click on the circle and sign out of all the accounts and then sign back in only under my school email address. That way it won't switch back and forth between different Google accounts, which can be very confusing and can cause some issues with Classroom. So always make sure that you are logged in under your student account. As soon as you can verify that you are under your student account, you want to click on the waffle right next to the circle and open up the Google Apps and go to Classroom. Now, if you have several classes, they're all going to be listed here. So you need to go to the class where you have to complete the work. Click on the class card and then go to the classwork tab at the top of your page. This is the area I'm sure you've already seen where all of your assignments are. I have 3 example assignments here that were created so that I can show you how to turn work in using 3 different methods that your teachers might use in their Google Classrooms. So let's take a look at the first assignment. I'm going to click on the assignment box, and then I'm going to come down here to the bottom left, and I'm going to click on View Assignment. It's very important that you complete your assignments using this button because it's going to open your assignment up for the full screen so that you can see everything. You can see the Your Work box right here. You can see the Turn In button. You can see instructions from your teacher. So after you read your teacher's instructions, you need to follow through with what they are asking and complete the assignment. In this example, my teacher has given me a document that the teacher created that I just need to fill some information into and then turn it in. This is the document right here. It's already been created, so I don't have to make anything else. So I'm going to click on the document to open it up so that I can see the document that was created by my teacher. And you'll see my teacher already has some information here, and I just need to add information to this just like a worksheet that I might do in the classroom. So for instance, I'm going to click right here, and I should be able to type my name directly into this document. There shouldn't be any problems with adding information to this document. You do not have to ask to have the document shared with you. You should be able to click right in the document and begin typing in your response. Just put some stuff here just to show that you can do this. And once the document is completed, once you filled out all of your information, all you need to do at that point is go up to the upper right-hand corner, and there is a gray button there that says Turn In. You're going to click on that button, and it should take you back to the assignment box that you just had open. It's going to ask for sure, do you want to turn this in? So you're going to click yes, turn it in. And you can see now this document has my student's name on it, Sally Student, and there's no more turn in button. This says unsubmit, and it even tells me that my document's turned in. If for some reason I need to make changes to it, maybe my teacher wants me to edit it, I can unsubmit it, make the changes, and turn it back in. So that's how you complete one of the different types of assignments your teacher may ask you to do. Let's take a look at the second one. Click on View Assignment. In this assignment, my teacher has asked me to create a document. She does not have a document for me. So she wants me to create a document. She may even ask you to create a Google slide presentation or an Excel spreadsheet. But either way, you use the same button. Over here in the Your Work area, there is a button above Mark as Done that says Add or Create. So whenever your teacher asks you to add a file or to create something, you're going to click this button. If I was adding something from my computer, I could select from here, but my teacher wants me to create my own Google document and type an essay outline in it. So I would go here to Create New, and I would pick Docs. And you'll see it's actually creating my document right there. So once it has the document created, I can click on the thumbnail for the document and it opens up my blank document. So now I can type in whatever my outline is for the book that I read. Or whatever it is my teacher wants me to type in. You'll see, as I said, it does name the document with your name. It will also name it with the assignment name, so you don't have to change anything here. Keep this the same as whatever it says when you create the document. Again, you have that Turn In button. So as soon as I'm done typing in whatever I'm asked to type or create in my document, I can come up here to Turn In and click on Turn In. It will ask me again if I want to turn that in, so I'll click Turn In again. And then once again, I will see an Unsubmit button and information that I have turned it in. So that's how you add or create a document or a slide or a sheet that your teacher wants you to create yourself. Let's take a look at the last type of assignment. In this assignment example, and we'll always make sure you click on View Assignment. My teacher wants me to upload or attach an image, or it even could be a document from my computer. And then she wants me to turn that in as my work. So you still have the same box here that says Your Work, and you have that button that says Add or Create. This time we're not going to create something, we are going to add it. Because I'm attaching, maybe it's a picture of something that I took as an assignment. So I can click on Add or Create, and I'm going to use one of these three here. If my assignment is in my Google Drive, maybe I have my picture stored there, I can grab it from there. If I'm adding a web link, my teacher wants me to add a website link, I could use this. If it's an image file on my computer or a document file on my computer, I would click here. So I'm going to click there, and then you would select the file from your device. So you click on this button, and then you would find whatever picture that you want to add to whatever it is that the teacher asks you to add, and then click Open. There's the file right there, and you can do more than one file, but just follow your teacher's instructions. When you have what is required in this area, you click on Upload. So if your teacher wants you to send an image in, you can do it this way. If a teacher wants you to have create a PDF document and attach it, you can do it this way. And then once you see that it has appeared in the Your Work box, you're going to click Turn In and then click Turn In again to submit it. So that's the examples of the three most common types of assignments that you will run into in your Google Classrooms. I hope this tutorial helps, and I hope everybody enjoys the rest of the school year and stays safe and healthy.